Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: your Microsoft account, an active Game Pass plan, and enough storage. Once done, open the Xbox app or console store and sign in. This ensures purchases and perks map to the right account. You should check which platform you want, console versus PC, because Game Pass licensing and install location differ. Make sure your payment method is current so you can claim or purchase Minecraft without interruptions. This avoids delays later when you proceed to add or install the game. You now find Minecraft in the Xbox store or the Game Pass library and check whether it's included. If Game Pass covers it, select the Game Pass tile and click Install. That claims the license and starts download. If it's not included, choose Buy and confirm your payment. This permanently links the license to your Microsoft account. Once purchased or claimed, pick the right edition or bundle and confirm install location. Remember to review add-ons so you don't buy redundant content twice. You finish by monitoring the download in My Games and Apps and signing into Minecraft with the same Microsoft account so your entitlement and saves align. Once installed, enable Cloud Sync or transfer local saves if you moved platforms, and verify game updates. If something goes wrong, first restart the console or PC and sign out/sign in to refresh licenses. This often clears entitlement errors. Make sure your Game Pass subscription is active and your network is stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.